everyone, welcome back. As always, please make sure you hit subscribe, click that notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. You can also give the video a thumbs up, it helps me out a lot. So this has been requested loads of times, to do a walking tour of Great Yarmouth at night. We're also going to take a look at the pleasure beach at night as well, because they've got their special Fairground Frights, which we're going to check out a little bit later on in the video. But first, we're going to start the tour just here outside the Prom Hotel. And recently they added that Prom Hotel logo, which adds to the illuminations here on the seafront as well. Looking nicely lit up tonight. It is a little bit chilly tonight, so you'll just have to excuse me if my teeth start chattering. You can see the Britannia Pier there and the moon out in the distance. It's a shame Joyland isn't open actually tonight. I thought that would have been. You can see just down there, they used to have loads of lights, like a sea of lights going down Regent Road. And none of them are on, which is a little bit of a shame. And you can see some of these lights are working, others are not. It's just like the lights as well underneath, which some are working, as you can see, and some of them are not. It's just one of those unfortunate things. Time goes on and bulbs go and they don't get replaced. But let's have a walk on the pier, and we're quite lucky because literally there's no one else about tonight because it has been raining, so we can have a nice gentle walk on the pier just to ourselves. Again, there's music playing on here, so I might get copyrighted, so I might have to play a little bit of music in the background. Look at the moon look out to sea tonight. Looks amazing. It's really eerie up here. Show bar's not currently open, which is a bit of a shame. Just the lights going on. And you'll always see the ghost train or the giant slide just always flashing away in the middle of the night. Yeah, it's such a shame that those lights are not working down Regent Road. They used to look so pretty. It was very London-esque. So as I turn around and we see the Britannia Pier sign, obviously none of those have been changed this year because there's been no shows on the pier thanks to the coronavirus. Just look at that with the moon just there. So pretty. So let's continue our walk down the seafront. Like I say, it's been raining, so I think that adds some atmos, but also cleared out a lot of people as well, because there's not many people around. So there's the Joyland Diner. Looking pretty tonight with the moon and the pier in the background. So some people ask me, are there illuminations in Great Yarmouth? And the simple answer is, there used to be illuminations down the seafront. There kind of is now. As you can see, they're dotted either side of the seafront on the lights, and they do look kind of pretty, but nothing like the illuminations you'd probably get in Blackpool, for example. There's the Empire. You can't really see it, to be honest. Few places still open. Donuts. And it's a shame the tower isn't lit up at all. In fact, the sign's looking a little bit sorry for itself. Now, considering this is half term, it's not very busy. It is pretty cold, it is pretty wet tonight, so that's probably a reason why there's not too many people out. We are heading up to the pleasure beach though, because they've got their Halloween special night, so we're going to check that out as well. But I thought we'll just have a brief walk down the seafront as we walk up to there. I remember as a kid being driven down the seafront in Yarmouth and in Blackpool to see the lights. They do look pretty impressive. Wellington Pier looking lovely. Again, not many people. We'll kind of have a look on the pier. I don't think they'll let me film inside, so I might just have to cut it until we get over to the other side. And you can actually walk around the whole of the pier. There's not much light up here. And there's not much to see up this bit. Glimpses of the moon. You can see where the pier used to kind of go out even further. Yeah, I'm really surprised. It's half term and it's 6:35. Model Village isn't even open. And a lot of the places are actually closing up early. Now the pleasure beach is open and it's open till 8 o'clock tonight. Their special Halloween event going on. So we're going to go and have a quick look and see what it's like. So just walking through the Pleasure Beach Gardens. Again, a lot of this is actually in darkness. The upside down house, look at that with the moon in the background. That's open. Don't forget, if you want to see what that looks like inside, check out the video. The link's just up there. And for Halloween, they're making it a little bit haunted. What does that say? The haunted upside down house. Jurassic Gardens are still open. No one's on that at the moment. And the famous ball that lights up on the log flume. Surely there's nobody on that tonight. Although you never know. Almost got wet. I should have realised that. No, I can't see anybody on it tonight. Definitely no one's on that right now. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to come down to see the Fairground Frights. It's the first time the Pleasure Beach has done this, and the atmosphere was really good, and the moon really did help set the show. These holograms were a really nice shot too. You can just see how detailed they are. Especially love this one here of that ghost demon. Now of course they had a scare maze and they had live actors walking around, as you can see, trying to scare us, and they did scare me quite a lot. Okay, that scared the bejesus out of me. Are you following me? I think he might be, actually. I'm a bit scared. Blimey, they're everywhere. There was a live DJ here as well, but obviously I can't show the sound because obviously the video would get copyrighted, so hence why I've got some spooky music on at the same time. I hope they do it next year. It was such a great night, such a great atmosphere, and the fact that the seafront was really quiet, but the Pleasure Beach was packed. It looks scary. Yeah, there's a clown there. Someone's head. Just freaky. You can hear a lot of people screaming. I'm sure he just said bye, Tim. That's freaking me out. Whoa. It's like, what is going on? Oh my god! Okay. Okay, stay away! Okay, slightly concerning. They're just still standing there. You've got to walk around there. So you've got to like walk actually past them, which is quite scary. They won't scare me. my God! So I hope you enjoyed Great Yarmouth in the Dark. Don't forget, if you want to see more Great Yarmouth videos, I've got a whole playlist on my channel. As always, please make sure you hit subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, a share too would really help me out, and I'll see you next time.